Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without vanilla extract and brown sugar. Vanilla extract is a common ingredient, but you can easily achieve delicious results without it. For a nutty twist, try adding about 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. If you prefer a different aroma, a small amount of maple syrup, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, or even a pinch of ground cinnamon can provide a wonderful flavor profile to your cookies. Brown sugar is key for that signature chewy texture and rich, caramel-like flavor in many cookie recipes. Without it, your cookies might be crispier. To replicate its qualities, you can mix 1 cup of granulated white sugar with 1 tablespoon of molasses. This combination mimics the moisture and flavor. Another excellent option is to use 1 cup of coconut sugar, which offers a similar depth of flavor and helps maintain a good texture. When you omit brown sugar, your cookies might turn out a bit crispier than usual. To counteract this, you can add a little extra moisture to your dough. Try incorporating 1 additional tablespoon of milk or cream to help maintain a softer texture. Also, chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes before baking is a fantastic tip. It helps the flavors meld and prevents excessive spreading, leading to a better final cookie. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your dough balls 2 inches apart on a baking sheet and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Enjoy your delicious, homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.